Hello and greetings to everyone out there watching this video. My name is Rhythm and I'm the in-house IELTS trainer for Visas Avenue. So alright, today we'll be speaking about IELTS, kind of an introductory session maybe. So IELTS, what is IELTS? There's a lot of hue and cry about IELTS, you ought to appear for IELTS, you ought to score good. What is IELTS? Well, IELTS is nothing but International English Language Testing System. There are two categories for IELTS. One is general and one is academic. Academic goes for those who want to study abroad. The universities abroad accept IELTS academics. If you want to go abroad with a PR or maybe a job, you ought to appear for a general IELTS. Okay, so for IELTS, we have the whole testing time is 2 hours and 40 minutes, which goes for listening, reading and writing. So speaking consists of typically 11 to 14 minutes of time, and obviously we have 4 parts into IELTS and 3 sections for each part. Let's talk about listening, the first test. So you have about 40 minutes for listening, 30 minutes to listen to the sections, and 10 minutes you will get extra to transfer your answers. So you have 3 sections in the order of difficulty. Section 1 being a conversation, section 2 being a lecture or maybe a summary of any conversation between a professor and a student, and section 3 can be any paragraph, reading or maybe a literature reading, going through that. So we have questions based on that. The tip for listening is just concentrate. Concentrate on the audio and hands on your text. That's about listening. Now let's talk about the next section, that is reading. Reading is of 60 minutes. So you have 3 sections again in the order of difficulty. You have questions. Typically in section 1 you have a long notice for maybe 5 to 6 questions, and then in the second level you have a para, a whole comprehension. In the third level you have any text related to history, geography, English, biology, anything and everything. So that's your reading. And last is writing. So writing, we have 2 tasks. One is letter. Task 1, you need to write at least 150 words, minimum 150 words. Remember, do not write below 150 words, there is a penalty. And second section is an essay. We have to write 250 words. So do not write below 250 words, there's a penalty again. So typically 250 to 280 words could be your essay. The essay should have good vocabs, good punctuations, good paraphrasing and good linkers. So that's your key to score good in your writing section. Now comes the last part, that is speaking. So speaking may happen in the same day, together with your listening, reading and writing in the evening shift, or may happen within 7 days of the other 3. So in speaking you have 11 to 14 minutes, you have 3 sections again, you have a recorder which your examiner is gonna put up on the table and you have to speak. Remember, be clear and loud. Okay, so you have 3 sections. One is introduction, second is you have a topic and you have to speak for 2 to 3 minutes on the topic, and third would be your 4 to 5 minutes based on questions on that cue card, that is the second section topic. So remember to carry your pencil, your sharpener, your eraser, your passport most importantly, and that's about it. And let's just hope that all of us who are going to appear in IELTS in few days may give your exams all well, and all the very best. Thank you for having me. Thank you for listening to this. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.